Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can connect to an AirTag without having it purchased newly, so you don't have that tab anymore that you usually use to connect directly. So if someone else already used it or you got it handed down by someone, then this is how you're going to be able to connect. So the first method, the easy method, is go into the Find My app as the person that's still using it. So if your parents are using it, tell them to go into the app, and then they want to remove the device. So they should go to Items, scroll down on the AirTag they want to remove, so the one you want to be using and want to connect to, and then hit Remove. It will be removed from their Apple ID, so just hit Remove right there, hit Remove again with the pop-up notification, then it will remove the AirTag from their device. So they won't be able to connect anymore. And then if you want to connect, you just go into your Find My app onto your phone, click on to connect a new AirTag, and then have the AirTag close to your phone, and then it will show up automatically. You can choose what you want to set it as, so either give it a custom name or put it as your backpack or wallet, whatever you want to do with it. If you do a custom name, you can give it a custom name. You can choose an emoji as well, and then agree that it will be linked to your Apple ID. Now it will be connected and you're good to go. You can play the sounds, you can share your AirTag, you can find it somewhere, go to the Find My app, and you can do all of these things with the new AirTag you have connected. Now if this doesn't work, if the person that is not close to the AirTag, then you want to disable the tracking function directly on the AirTag. So to do that, you have to get out your AirTag, press down on this silver button and rotate it counterclockwise so you can take it off. And then you want to remove the battery 5 times. So each time you'll hear a sound, then you put it back in, you remove it again, and this 5 times. And then this will delete the tracking, and you'll be able to then connect it to a new device. So that's how you can do it manually, or the easy method, if someone else is still connected, just tell them to remove it, and then you're able to connect it. And if it says low battery, like it did for mine, then you also want to do the method of removing the battery a couple times, and then you should be able to connect automatically and you'll be good to go, and you can track your AirTag now. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, and I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did.